Hi everyone, I'm Swati from India Hikes and you're watching Trek with Swati. In today's video, we're talking about the best time to do the Goechala trek. Now when it comes to Goechala, timing is everything because it has a very small window period of just 3 months in the entire year to do it. So I'll tell you what those 3 months are and what to expect during these months. Let's get started. There are two main seasons to do the Goechala trek. The first one is in spring and that's from mid-April to the end of May. And the second one is in the post-monsoon season. That's from the end of September to around the first week of November, or maybe I would cut it off at the end of October. So these are the only two seasons that you can actually do the Goechala trek. Before springtime, there's too much snow to do the trek. After springtime and before post-monsoon, it rains a lot in this region, so you cannot do the trek. And after post-monsoon, the trail becomes extremely cold and the water sources start drying up, so again you cannot do the trek. So when you're timing it during these two seasons, there are a few things you can expect and I'll tell you what those are. In springtime, the biggest reason to do the Goechala trek is the rhododendrons. Now this trek is in the heart of the Kanchenjunga National Park, so the biodiversity is beautiful on this trek, and especially the rhododendron forests, they are celebrated all over the world. In fact, people come from other countries to Sikkim only to see the rhododendrons on the Goechala trail. So that's how beautiful the rhododendrons are. And on the trek also there are specific sections where you can look out for these flowers. From Choka to this place called Phedang, which is on the way to Zongri, this entire section is full of rhododendrons and you'll see all kinds of colors of rhodos, and that's only in the spring season in April and May. If you're a birder, this is heaven for you because this is when you can spot birds and you can see 40-50 species of birds even if you're not a birder. So this is what you have to look out for when you're going in springtime. The second season, the post-monsoon season, this is the time you do the trek for the colors and the stunning views on the trek. Post-monsoon is when all the rain clouds are washed off, the sky is squeaky clean, there's absolutely no haze, no clouds in the sky. And this is when you get the best views from Zongri, best views from Viewpoint 1, and also views start opening up from many unexpected sections on the trail, which you'll not be able to see in any other season. So this is one of the biggest reasons to do the trek in the post-monsoon season. Of course, there are lots of colors on this trail as well because this is again the biodiversity. You'll see the changing vegetation right from Yuksum all the way to Viewpoint 1. The colors keep changing all around you. The forests, the grasslands, the alpine terrain, you'll constantly see changing colors, and this is the time to see those ochres, those reds, those crimsons on the trail. You'll not get to see that color any other time of the year. So that was about the best time to do the Goechala trek. Remember, from mid-April to the end of May and from the end of September to the end of October, maybe first week of November, but not after that. If you have any questions, drop in a comment, we'll help you out. Make sure you watch our other videos on the Goechala trek as well. They'll help you really prepare for your trek and plan it well as well. So we'll be back with more soon. Make sure you don't miss out on our videos. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. You can also follow us on our social media channels on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, where we are constantly posting updates from the trekking world. You don't want to miss out on those. So we'll be back again soon with more. Thank you for watching. I'm Swati from India Hikes and you're watching Trek with Swati.